Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing something completely different that I've never done on my channel before, and this is a university room tour in kind of like a vlog style video. Now, I have never done any kind of vlogging or anything like this. I think I did a decent job, but I'd love to hear your feedback in the comments below. Do take it easy. This is my first time doing a vlog, so yeah. So anyways, before I continue in with that content, I just need to give a massive thank you to everyone that's been supporting me, subscribing to the channel, who's watching this video. Today is officially the day that Tech with Tim has hit 20,000 subscribers. That's right, 20,000 subscribers. Only a month and a half ago, I just hit 10,000, and even that was absolutely unreal and something that I've been working for so long. So to have that much growth, to essentially double my subscriber base in only a month and a half, it just is so outstanding and unreal to me. I can't even believe that I'm sitting at this number. But just thank you guys so much. I have so many plans for the future, so many cool things I want to do. We're really just getting started here, and I hope that you guys are coming along for the ride, because I can tell you there's going to be some awesome stuff that you guys are definitely not going to want to miss in the future. Before I go too far here, I just need to say that I do have a Patreon account. Some of you guys have noted that you'd be willing to support that. You know that I don't make that much money off of YouTube, and it's something that I really want to do more and more and more and focus as much time as possible. So even just providing like $1 a month, a small donation via Patreon, really helps me out and allows me to focus more of my time and efforts here on YouTube to keep creating awesome free content for you guys. So with that being said, thank you guys once again so much, and I hope that you enjoy the video. Alright, so the way that my kind of residence style works essentially is that you share a room with one other person, and you share kind of a common area, which I'm going to be showing to you guys right now, and then you have your own kind of door. You can see those are the two doors right there, and your own room, which is your own private space. So it's really nice because you do have a roommate, but if you don't want to see them, you can kind of just lock yourself in your room. And having your own bathroom in your room is actually really nice luxury for university. I'm sure if any of you guys are students, you can relate that a lot of the residences are not very nice. Alright, so now I'm going to walk you guys through kind of the main shared space of my room. So this is what I call like the common space. There's a nice little table. We brought a few extra chairs into here. And then we have what's known as kind of like a little kitchenette. So a bit of space for some snacks, and some food and some cupboard space. And then we have obviously a microwave, a sink. All these dishes and stuff were stuff that I brought. I'm sure you guys know what that is. And then I have a little toaster, coffee maker, which is essential. I love my coffee in the morning. And then obviously I keep some snacks and stuff in some of the drawers here. So as well, a full-size fridge, which is also awesome because I have a freezer, which means I can keep like frozen food and stuff up here if I wanted to. So I mean, we have like some cookies, some other stuff in there. And then obviously the fridge, just for, I don't know, whatever, stuff that needs to stay cold. Now we also share a washroom. It's actually a decent sized washroom. I mean, you guys can see me now. And pretty, I don't know, standard, but it's nice to have a washroom because a lot of university residences don't have that at all. So anyways, that's kind of it for the main common space. There's nothing too exciting here, but now I'm going to bring you guys into my room, where I'm sure is what you actually want to see from this video. So let's go in. Alright, so now I'm in my actual room. By the way, the audio sounds a lot better in here. I don't know why it's so echoey out there. But I'm going to walk you guys through my whole kind of setup, so my whole PC setup, and then where I also just spend most of my time in terms of what the room layout looks like. So if you guys did follow my Twitter or were on my Instagram, you already know what my room looks like, just saying. So you might want to hop on there if you're not. But let's give you guys a quick tour now. So essentially, this is my room right here. Give you a quick pan of everything. It's pretty small, but for a university room, having something like a double bed, which I have right now, a nice closet, like I actually really like this room, and this style of kind of living is perfectly fine. So yeah, this is, I mean, the closet, nothing too exciting here, just where I hang up all my stuff. I've got some shoes, laundry, standard stuff like that, a little fan, a little side table, and yeah, so now let's bring you over to the PC setup, which I'm sure is the part that you guys are actually most interested in. So this is kind of my main PC desk setup, layout, whatever you want to call it. And this is where all of the magic happens in terms of recording videos and actually getting work done. So I bring you up close here. I'm running a dual monitor setup. That's actually my Discord server up right now. You guys should definitely hop in there too. And I did have a third monitor back at home, but I couldn't bring it because it's wall mounted and I can't actually mount anything on the wall. So right now what I'm showing you obviously is my computer. It's hard to get a good angle at it. But I mean, you get the idea. It's got the LEDs and it's actually tempered glass on 4 sides. So on the back as well, which I can't really show you from here. Let me give you guys a quick sneak peek on my cable management. It's a bit messy, but if you guys have a computer setup like mine, you'll know like there's a ton of cables, and it's not easy to manage them nicely, and I can't really be bothered to do that anyways. So yeah, I'll go through the rest of the stuff. I mean, a lot of you guys asked what keyboard I use. This is just like I don't even know, DAS key. Don't know what brand that is, but it's Cherry MX Red switches, which I really actually like. They're a bit, like I make a few typos with them, as you might notice, but it's fine. They're good for gaming as well, which I do a little bit of. This is just my standard SteelSeries mouse, like that mouse as well. It's like $50 or something. And then obviously my Blue Yeti microphone, which is what I use to record all of my kind of screen recording videos. This is just like my standard face cam. I got like a Logitech, whatever the highest Logitech face cam is, that's what I have. And then this is my light that I use for the face cam and for doing vlogs like this. So these are kind of my controllers for all this. So this is the light controller, obviously. It actually changes in brightness as well. I'm not sure if you guys can focus, maybe. Okay, maybe not. But anyways, it changes, like you can change the temperature of it and the brightness, which is nice. And then this is my controller just for, what do you call it, underneath the desk. Now in terms of some other stuff that I have, in terms of tech stuff, I actually have like a whole bin here full of, I can't even pull it out, there's so much, full of like tech stuff and wires and cables. And that whole bottom thing there is also full of tech stuff and cables and wires in case I ever need them. I have my iPad here. Usually I have my live subscriber count up, but I just haven't done it. Phone charger, fidget spinner, which I use like consistently, especially when I'm trying to focus. And then this is my drawing tablet that I use for like all my kind of illustrations or whatnot. So I mean, like this isn't too exciting, there's not too much stuff, but in terms of like a res room, this is quite a bit of tech equipment, I would say. And I'm valuing it at probably close to $12,000, which is ridiculous when I say it, but over the course of a few years, that's probably how much I've spent on it. Oh, laptops, almost forgot. This is my main school laptop, which I only bring it to class. I just use it in class or labs. It's just like a standard Dell laptop. It's got an i7, it has a GPU in it. I don't know, it's a decent old laptop. 15-inch screen, by the way. And then this is my Mac, old Mac that I just use for like watching YouTube and all that kind of stuff, because I like the smaller screen size, just if I'm gonna have it on my lap or whatnot. Yeah, I mean, that's really almost it. There's not too much to talk about in terms of other stuff in my room. I guess I can show you guys my view. Let's do that. So this is the view from my room. Again, nothing special. That's a highway where really fast cars go by and make a lot of noise. And then that is another building. So nothing too exciting there. You can see why I usually keep my drapes closed. I've got some cupboards here, or I don't know, cabinets, whatever you want to call them. And then I keep kind of my school binders down below my desk, and obviously you can see the LED strips, which I really like. They add a nice kind of glow and touch to the room. So anyways, that has pretty much been it for this kind of vlog tour of my room. Sorry if this wasn't super exciting, but I think it gives you a little bit of an insight into what I've been living in for the past 8 months. And I'm filming this video now especially because I'm going to be moving out in probably 15-20 days. And I wanted to make sure that I got a quick vlog of what it's like, even just for myself, so I can look back, show family, show friends in the future at some point. I think that's an interesting concept as well. So anyways, if you guys have enjoyed the video, please make sure you leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see other kind of vlog content like this, please let me know, as I do have this awesome camera, which is the Panasonic G7, and I really want to use it for a bunch of other videos like this. So with that being said, I will see you guys in another video.